Advanced Success, a step for your success.
Hello students, we are ready to start our chapter number 1, Real Numbers. First of all, we will know about the terms and theorems used in this chapter. Our first term is lemma. What is a lemma? Lemma is a proven statement which is used to prove other statement. For example, if I say all the numbers which are completely divisible by 2 are even otherwise odd. This is a proven statement. We can say it is a lemma. We can use this statement to prove other statement like 18 is an even number, 3 is an odd number. So we say that when we divide 18 by 2, it goes 9 times, 2 9s are 18, we get remainder 0. Since 18 is completely divisible by 2, so 18 is an even number. If we divide 3 by 2, then 2 1s are 2, we get remainder 1. Since 3 is not completely divisible by 2, so 3 is an odd number. Euclid division lemma. Given positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r satisfying a is equal to bq plus r, where r varies less than b but greater than or equal to 0. It means if we have two integers a and b, then we can find two unique integers q and r such that we can represent a is equal to bq plus r, where value of r will be less than b but greater or equal to 0. Simply in other words, suppose we have two integers a and b, then on division a by b, we can find two integers q and r, means quotient q and remainder r, such that we can represent a is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, where value of r will be less than divisor but greater or equal to 0. For example, suppose we have two integers 2 and 9. On division 9 by 2, 2 4s are 8, remainder 1. On division 9 by 2, we can find quotient 4 and remainder 1 such that we can represent dividend 9 is equal to divisor into quotient 4 plus remainder 1. This is Euclid division lemma. Our next term is algorithm. What is an algorithm? An algorithm is a stepwise process to solve a problem. Simply in other words, we can say the combination of steps to solve a problem is called an algorithm. For example, suppose you are asked to write the method for preparing tea. Then the combination of steps to prepare tea will be an algorithm. To find the HCF of the two given numbers with the help of Euclid division algorithm, the following steps should be used. Step first, identify the greater number of the two. Second step, consider the greater number as dividend and the smaller number as divisor. Step 3, find the quotient and remainder. Step 4, if the remainder is 0, then the divisor is the required HCF, otherwise go to the next step. Step 5, take the remainder as the new divisor and the divisor as the new dividend. Step 6, repeat step 3, 4 and 5 till the remainder 0 is obtained. The last divisor for which the remainder is 0 is the required HCF. These steps will clear with the help of question of exercise 1.1. A Greek mathematician Euclid gave an interesting method to find the HCF of two numbers. This method is known as Euclid's division algorithm. Note that because it is an algorithm, so steps are used in this method. Now we will solve exercise 1.1. First question is there. Use Euclid's division algorithm to find the HCF of, first part is 135 and 225. Then we write solution 1. Part first. Given numbers are 135 and 225. Now, since 135 is less than 225, so we take smaller number as divisor and greater number as dividend. So we divide dividend 225 by divisor 135. It will go 1 times 135. We get remainder 90. Since remainder is not 0, so we represent by Euclid division algorithm dividend 125 is equal to divisor into quotient 135 into 1 plus remainder 90. Since remainder 90 not equal to 0, we write since remainder not equal to 0, then we proceed. In this case, when remainder is not 0, in this case we take remainder as new divisor and divisor as new dividend. So we divide dividend 135 by new divisor 90. It will go 1 time 90. We get 5 4. So by Euclid division algorithm, dividend 135 is equal to divisor 90 into quotient 1 plus 45. Since remainder is 45 which is not equal to 0, so we will proceed. In this case, when remainder is not 0, we take remainder as new divisor and divisor as new dividend. So we divide new dividend by new divisor 45. It will go 2 times 0. We write by Euclid division algorithm dividend 90 is equal to divisor 45 into quotient 2 plus 0. Since remainder is equal to 0, when remainder is 0, in this case divisor will be SCF of required numbers. So SCF of 135, 225 is equal to 45. Answer. Question number 1, part second. Given numbers are 196 and 38,220. So we write solution 1, part second. Given numbers 196 and 38,220. Since 196 is smaller than 38,220, so we take smaller number as divisor and larger number as dividend. So we divide dividend 38,220 by divisor 196. It will go 1 time 196, remainder 6 8 1. We note down 2. Now it will go 9 times. We write 764. On subtraction we get remainder 12 minus 4 8, 15 minus 6 9. Now we note down 0. It will go 5 times 980. We get remainder 0. So by Euclid division algorithm we write dividend 38,220 is equal to divisor 196 into quotient 195 plus remainder 0. Since remainder is equal to 0, when remainder is 0, in this case divisor will be required HCF of the given numbers. So HCF of 196 38,220 is equal to 196. Answer. Our part third is 867 and 255. So we write solution 1, part third. Given numbers are 867 and 255. Now we compare. Since 867 is greater than 255, so we take smaller number as divisor and larger number as dividend. So we divide dividend 867 by divisor 255. It will go 3 times. On multiplication 3 by 255 we get 765. Remainder is 2, 0, 1. So by Euclid division algorithm, dividend 867 is equal to divisor 255 into quotient 3 plus remainder 102. Since remainder is equal to 102, which is not equal to 0, so we will divide until we get 0. When we get 0, in that case divisor will be SCF of the given number. So in this case remainder will be new divisor and divisor will be new dividend. So we divide dividend 255 by new divisor 102. It will go 2 times 2 to the 4, 2 0 0, 2 1 2. Then remainder is 51. So by Euclid division algorithm, dividend 255 is equal to divisor 102 into quotient 2 plus 51. Since remainder is equal to 51, which is not equal to 0, so we will proceed. In this case, when remainder is not 0, then remainder will be new divisor and divisor will be new dividend. So we divide new dividend 102 by new divisor 51, as it will go 2 times 0. So by Euclid division algorithm, dividend 102 is equal to divisor 51 into quotient 2 plus remainder 0. Since remainder is equal to 0. Since remainder is 0, in this case divisor will be required SCF of the given numbers. So SCF of 867, 255 is equal to 51.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.